challenge is to call that number on, and you have 4 minutes. Challenge, call that number.
Wait, I don't know how I'm
Mom, you telling me?
I know what this is.
You ready?
Easy.
4 minutes on that phone.
You wanna go first?
Okay, you ready? Go.
Wait, how do we do it? 1. 1. 1. 5. 4. 3. 8. 6.
Can you do it?
My phone's not ringing.
Mom's phone's not ringing.
Okay, makes sense.
What do you hear? Did you hear anything?
Yeah, I heard. Does that mean it was
You
called?
gonna help?
1. 5. 0. 4. 3.
How you think that's 3?
What's next word?
8.
2.5 minutes.
8. 6. 9. 1. 1. 6.
Okay.
Nobody's phone is ringing.
Okay. Yeah, let's just
I don't know how to use that phone.
Well, I'm glad you admitted that you don't know how to use that phone. 2 minutes more.
Wouldn't do no good. You couldn't read either.
Won't you think about it for a minute?
I can't think about it.
When you pick up the phone, what do you hear? You got 1 minute and a half.
I don't hear anything.
Nobody's phone's ringing.
Nobody's phone is ringing.
Let's just burn it. Let's just burn it.
What?
Poopa, why don't you do it?
Hold up. After the 4 minutes, we'll do it. But come on, y'all have to try. Y'all still got some time. Y'all, come on, Mason.
Yeah, you still got a little over a
Come
minute
on.
left. What do you think will make it work?
1.
I'm gonna trace it. It's 5.
1 minute
Okay,
left.
it's number and then here, right?
Oh, 0.
Sophia, you just about had it.
Y'all got the dialing part.
You got the Sophia got the dialing port right, but
I'm letting him try.
well, no, I'm saying you.
3. 8. 8. 6. 9. 1. 6.
Wrong.
Wrong.
30 seconds. What do you think you need to do?
That ain't good.
Okay, Sophia, wanna try it again? Yeah, one more try, Sophia, then we're gonna tell you.
Can't we just burn it?
No.
15 seconds.
13, 12, 11, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Time's up.
I can't hear, but the time's up. Time's up.
So you're still doing you got it half right. But why don't you hold the phone like that? Now do what you were doing, what you were dialing.
You're supposed to pick up the phone and
It's on the hook right now.
It's on the hook.
It's on the
You hear
hook
a
right now.
dial
Now take it off the hook,
Now you start
you
dialing.
dial. Now you can dial.
and you'll hear it.
You almost had it.
So once upon a time, where you got that phone from?
Once
eBay.
upon a time, this was the first clock. It looked so
Yeah, y'all had one like that. That's why I got it.
Everyone died. The clock looks so.
There you go. Answer. Answer.
Can I? Hello, Mom.
And look, you can only go as far as that line stretches. Oh my goodness. That's it. You can't go no further.
Mason, you're gonna break it. Stop. Come on.
You can't go no further. You can't walk around the house.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Why you sound so low though?
The volume's probably down on.
I could barely hear. You sound like a little.
Yeah, I gotta turn the volume thing up on it.
Wait, how do you turn the volume up?
There's a volume thing on the bottom. I'll show you after.
Can I see it?
You almost had it, Sophia.